Shabbat Shalom, Ambazonia. People of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons, good morning. Good citizens of Ambazonia, today na number 26th day for the month of June 2020. My name na Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King. This one na my daily podcast for una. We go start today for Ekona. One Ambazonian boy, where they call him say Bazil, a friend they call him na say Bazo. They ran movie for their house, shoot him, kill him for Ekona. The family be unconsolable. Bazo be been a picking way, he avoid for talk even politics. He be been a picking way like football. How the Cameroon military be the pass for Ekona for number 26th day for the month for June. Then run enter for house, how all man they run enter for house. La République du Cameroon, their terrorist forces them broke door enter for their house, remove Bazil, shoot him, point blank, kill him. This na the normal tactics where the Cameroon military they use them for inside Ambazonia, targeting potential male where them feel say they feel wake up tomorrow, fight for defend the sovereignty for Ambazonia. While for the capital city for Ambazonia, for Boya, one boy we name na Amba Denis. He papa they be give it the name, time they be Bonnie. The name come on for Amba Bay, when at the same place where the name for Ambazonia he come out. Now we Amba Denis, it don't be 40 years. A Kelebe them, La République du Cameroon, their occupation forces, they don't catch say name na Amba, go lock him for prison. Despite the fact say Amba Denis, a name be registered for a birth certificate and for a colonial national identity card, La République du Cameroon, they Kelebe them, they still consider ye like a suspect for fighting for Ambazonia. This one na proof say all man way dey for Ambazonia na a suspect for La République du Cameroon, their eyes. This war wey Mr. Paul Biya dan launch am na a genocidal war wey dey target all man way come out for the territory of the former British Southern Cameroons. This one na the reason why we dey talk say me all Ambazonian them be careful and consider all military personnel from the Republic of Cameroon and their proxy forces them as imminent danger to their life. Make all villages them in particular where international press and the United Nations no fit begin see way to way it happen for day. Me them begin take precaution them. Organize scout we go to warn people them when a Kelebe them, Egyptian them, or the terrorist forces them for La République du Cameroon they come. While for the great state of Bui, Ambazonian Governing Council, Community School, they picking them for day they graduate, they receive report card following a ban and boycott of La République du Cameroon registered school for inside Ambazonia.
Okay. My father was a handsome young man. To sing.
My father was a handsome young man. My father was so.
Would they encourage all community them for inside Ambazonia for open community school and for Catholic Church, Presbyterian Church, Baptist Church and all churches them for Ambazonia for step in and fill in the spaces them where it dey for Ambazonia where the school boycott it go. The Ambazonian Governing Council and the ADF they take a passive approach for the school boycott, but in principle all schools licensed by La République du Cameroon in Ambazonia is banned. For the international side, 15 international personalities, including former president of South Africa, they ran write letter for the United Nations calling on Ambazonians and La République du Cameroon, their leader them, for agree for a ceasefire. The international reputable human rights organization of the responsibility for protect, he also had a voice for they.
There has been an essential part of moving from an armed to an unarmed phase, and then from not talking to talking as part of an ongoing process of trying to resolve the conflict. But it's clear that there are fundamental issues that need to be resolved in Cameroon in order to stop the fighting in the long term.
Mr. Simon for the Global Center for Responsibility to Protect, it talks say a ceasefire need for be in place for the negotiation between La République du Cameroon and Ambazonia for take place. For the side for the Ambazonian independent movement, Dr. Cho Ayaba, the executive president of the Ambazonian Governing Council, he talk say Ambazonian them too then green for enter for inside ceasefire, but the ceasefire enough be for one side. Ambazonia no fit declare ceasefire when La République du Cameroon they still carry operation them for begin key our people them. That one it will leave our people them exposed for full-blown genocide from La République du Cameroon.
It would be foolish and suicidal for the party that is the victim of the aggression and brutality of the aggressor to declare a unilateral ceasefire. That amounts to abdication of responsibility in the face of genocide.
Dr. Cho Ayaba, he talks say the pressure need for being for La République du Cameroon for enter inside a negotiated ceasefire, a way go be supervised between La République du Cameroon and Ambazonia. That means say for the ceasefire for day, some third party need for can shidong, me them shidong decide for do the ceasefire, where go be na part for a long-term negotiation for Ambazonia, their victory.
To bear on Cameroon to enter into a supervised negotiation for the specific reasons of a humanitarian ceasefire. We are open to such discussions. And as has been reported, we have engaged the international community in specific discussions with respect to the call by the UN Secretary General for a ceasefire. But in the face of genocide against our people, disproportionate application of force by Cameroon, lack of commitment to any sense of honest, internationally supervised negotiation, the Ambazonian Governing Council will not, for the interest of the protection of our people, submit itself to any unilateral ceasefire.
Still for the battlefield, the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the special unit, where they carry out an ambush for inside Moyoka, they then all return for base. The ambush be succeed for capture one La République du Cameroon, their terrorist forces, where they be enough for neutralize, following back up and an attempt for rescue by La République du Cameroon. The Ambazonian Defense Forces, they intensify their operation them against La République du Cameroon, as would they anticipate the national takeover over our territory, over the Mongo into La République du Cameroon. Small news that they come out say La République du Cameroon is prepare for change in constitution. According to leaked document them, it shows that the one designate nationality for La République may be the one them for the people of Ambazonia and the one them for the French Cameroon. The document they guarantee dual nationality. That means that people figure two nationality. This one they see like a move for La République du Cameroon, Bulu Beti click for open a way for Frank Biya for take power. This one go set up a big clash between the French and Pizalan supporters of Maurice Kamto and Akeremuna, where the plan may replace Mr. Paul Biya. There is fire on the mountain as La République du Cameroon they then start do random searches for vehicles them for inside Yaoundé capital. As the cloud that they gather, would they call on Ambazonia them for prepare for the national takeover, for intensify their attacks against the occupation forces for La République du Cameroon. This one an opportunity for Ambazonia for no miss am. The French ambassador for La République du Cameroon, where Naidi basically run the country, Mr. Christophe Guillot, he then talk say the French government go give 40 billion for La République du Cameroon for reconstruct Ambazonia. Dr. Cho Ayaba, the liberation leader, talk say me France take that money, go help black people them where they suffer for France. Ambazonia go reconstruct itself. The so-called reconstruction it be seen like a means for French government and La République for cover up for the crime and blindfold the international community, may they not take action for put eye for wait away they happen for inside Ambazonia. It be good make the people that understand say the Banjul's verdict for the case against Ambazonia and La République, it be talk say me reconstruction, it be done as a reparation for Ambazonia for all the damages where La République du Cameroon done commit for Ambazonia since the year 1961. After the Banjul judgment, La République du Cameroon, the defendant, be appeal for the court, may give them time for negotiation. Instead, for enter negotiation with Ambazonia, La République du Cameroon, it then ban the consortium and decriminalize the identity of the people of the Southern Cameroon territory. International law through that Banjul declaration, it then solidify Ambazonia them their right for exit the union with La République, as it then clearly reiterate say the people of the former British Southern Cameroon remains a people with the right of self-determination. Reconstruction can be done only after peace have been established and after negotiation. Any man wey the attempt for do reconstruction during the middle of a war go be caught within the warring parties. We recall on all Ambazonian them as we enter for Monday, me all man observe the Independent Day ghost town, when are the only way for our general public for demonstrate for the international community their will for exit and for independence for Ambazonia. May God bless Una. May our war of independence be short-lived. May democracy, freedom, and liberty be in an independent Ambazonia forevermore. God bless you. Capo Daniel signing out. I'm on the